All right, gonna try and do this in one take. So let's see how long this takes. So, want to make sure first thing is that on your Unity Hub, look at your installs. So if you're on projects, you go to installs. You're going to take a look at your Unity installed versions. You're going to make sure that you have the Android. If you do not, let me know in class and we'll get that installed for you. If you're at home and you're working on Unity and you wanted to get Android installed, well, it's really simple. You just click on this gear over here, add modules, and then there's the checkbox, but it's not there because it's already installed for me. But you're going to click that checkbox, hit install, agree to the couple things, and then you're good to go. Then when you're done, let's go back to our projects. We're going to click on down on here, making sure that we do have this Android. We could select that, but we're not going to. And then we're going to hit that open button, but I already have the project open. Now, what we're going to do next is the fact that we need to set our project up for building. So, we're going to go to File, Build Settings, and then what we're going to do is we're going to see we have all these different build settings. We have Windows, Mac, Linux, which if you're trying to target platform that, well, we only got Windows because we didn't install Mac on this one, or Linux. Yeah, we really don't care about them this time around. Dedicated server support is not installed, but you can do dedicated server. Android WebGL, so if you're trying to make cool math games, this would be your hot platform right here. And you have Universal Windows Platform, which is if you're trying to make a game for the Windows Mobile or the Windows App Store. But we're going to go with Android, so what we're going to do is we're going to click Switch Platforms, and it's going to take maybe just a couple seconds, because since I made this as a fresh blank project, not going to repeat the same issues we had in class. We're going to compile. Cool. We're on Android. So what we're going to do is now, once we have it on Android, we're going to hit this player settings button. Cool, we're up there. It's going to reload our scripts, but that's fine. It's going to just take a hot second. Cool, we have that. So, company name. Mine's Cool Guys LLC. The product name, I'm going to be Super Awesome VR Game. I'm going to click off that version is going to be 1.0. Always want to make sure you're not on like version, unless you're like doing internal builds. But for your first actual build that you're going to put out there, you want to make sure that's 1.0. Then we're going to scroll into our other settings. Take a look at that. Scroll down. Now we need to do this package name. So I want to do com dot, go up here, grab my company name, because it says your company dot your company name dot your product name. So we're going to paste that. Then we're going to do dot, and then we're going to do super cool awesome VR game. And then we're going to paste that right there as well. Now, if you have any dashes, you can see like right here. Oh, I guess not. Okay, cool. I guess they've changed some things on this one, but you want to make sure that you don't have any like spaces, dashes, commas, any other symbols really on there. Version 1.0, that's fine. Bundle version code is that. Then what you're going to want to do is we're going to go down to the highest API level. We got 33. And then we have target API level, automatic highest installed. Now, if you take a look at the scripting backend and it says mono, please change it to IL2 CPP. And yeah, net standard, that's fine. If it's on framework, you want to be on standard. Other than that, I don't really see anything else that's of the abnormal that you would see. If you want to make like an icon, you can. That's a lot of work. Resolution and presentation, we're going to go full screen, never windowed for VR games, otherwise that looks really weird. Then we can go ahead and close out of that. We can go ahead and click add open scene, close that. Then when we're ready, we're going to go window, rendering, lighting, attach that over to here. Then we're going to go window, rendering, occlusion culling. There we go. Now we can bake when we're ready. This is only when you're ready, so we'll bake that on there. Okay, cool. I guess that's it for right now on that. Oh, interesting. Oh, it's all the stuff on there. All right, and then lighting. What we're going to do is generate lighting. It's going to do that. You're going to want to do that, otherwise, if in case the scene auto reloads, it'll look really crappy. Then when you're done and everything's ready, good to go, you're going to do File, Build Settings. Make sure you have that sample scene on there. Then you're going to click the Build. Now I'm going to set this onto my desktop. I'm going to set this as like new. Double click on that. We're going to give it the file name of test1. And then we're going to save that. We'll save the scene. We're going to use Heist installed. Okay, we have to switch to 31 for me. So we'll give it a second. I'm not going to pause the video. Should take a second. Okay, 31. Build. Test 1. Save. It's building. Got a lot of processes that we need to do. See, things went back to normal. See, the first build takes a long time. I think we're about done. Nope. At a minute now for the build. How's your day going? Hopefully it's going good. I don't know. It's a Thursday. Got a 3-day weekend coming up. Is it weird that I'm making small talk while we're waiting for the build? Almost there. Hey, if you're not a senior, I still have room in a lot of my other AP computer science classes. Just gonna say. Give some late promotion. All right, there we go. So what I need from you now is this whole everything on here. So if you wanted to just go ahead and zip this right here and submit the whole folder, submit that to me. Then when you're done, like normal, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your assets. You're going to do export package, and you're going to send to me this Unity package as well. Other than that, there's nothing really else I got for you tonight or today. I'm recording this at night. You can see, if you really want to see the time that I do some of these at, it's 9:04 p.m. My Razer Cortex is showing. But yeah. So, other than that, that's it. Finish it up. Turn it in. Let's do it at the end of class. Okay.